Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for science exam class 7 step by step. Start by listing every chapter and noting key concepts and experiments for each chapter. Break study time into 25 to 40-minute blocks with 5 to 10-minute breaks to keep focus. Use a visible calendar to assign chapters to days. Keep one notebook for formulas, diagrams, and quick summaries to review before tests. Start by turning headings into questions and answer them aloud to build recall and confidence. Draw labeled diagrams and color code parts to make structures memorable and review-friendly. Solve a mix of easy and challenging questions and time yourself to build exam pacing and reduce stress. Summarize each chapter in a page to condense facts and keep that summary for quick revision before exams and quizzes. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support the channel and more study tips. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a refreshing ride after long study sessions. It pairs oddly well with flashcards and late-night drives. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you buy one, enjoy the scent. Now let's get back to the video. Create a revision cycle that revisits weak topics multiple times over weeks to move knowledge into long-term memory. Prioritize past paper practice to spot repeated question types and learn how marks are allocated. Form a small study group to quiz each other and explain tricky ideas, which strengthens recall. Keep nights before exams calm with light review, only to ensure you sleep well and feel ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.